Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to create a group on Facebook. If you want to create a group on Facebook, so you just need to follow these steps. First, open your Facebook app and here go to the menu option, just tap here and then just scroll down. Here's the group, just tap on it. And after that here you will get the option of plus. Just tap on it and then tap on create a group. And here you have to enter the group name. As I'm going to enter friends, so I'm entered, and here you just have to choose privacy. Is your group is public or private? I'm choosing public, then done, and after that just tap on create group. And you can see I have successfully created a group on my Facebook account. So that's how you can create your own group. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.